Hello, all. Welcome to the day 37 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. On her birthday, Seema decided to donate some money to children of an orphanage home. If there were 8 children less, everyone would have got rupees 10 more. However, if there were 16 children more, everyone would have got rupees 10 less. Let the number of children be X and the amount distributed by Seema for one child be Y. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. Let's take the last line in the question. Let the number of children be X and the amount distributed by Seema for one child is Y. So the total money that Seema is distributing is X times Y. First question, the equations in terms of X and Y are. So let's use two cases given in the question. The first case is if there were 8 children less, that is X minus 8. Everyone would have got 10 rupees more, that is Y plus 10. This is equal to XY. On expanding this, we get xy minus 8y plus 10x minus 80 is equal to xy. 10x minus 8y is equal to 80. So let's divide this equation by 2. 5x minus 4y is equal to 40. Let's take this as equation 1. So this equation has come from the case 1. The second case is, however, if there were 16 children more, that is x plus 16, everyone would have got rupees 10 less. Y minus 10 is equal to xy. Xy is a constant. Xy plus 16y minus 10x minus 160 is equal to xy. 16y minus 10x is equal to 160. Dividing this equation by 2, we get 8y minus 5x is equal to 80. Multiply the equation by minus 1, so we get 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 80. This is the equation 2. The answer is A. Second question, which of the following matrix equations represents the information given above? 5 minus 4, 5 minus 8 times xy is equal to 40 and minus 80. So the answer is 3. Third question, the number of children who were given some money by Seema. So we have to figure out x here. Let's take down both the equations and solve them. 5x minus 4y is equal to 40 and 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 80. Let's subtract the second equation from the first. So we get 4y is equal to 120. Y is equal to 30. Substituting y equal to 30 in any one of these equations, 5x minus 8 times 30 is equal to minus 80. 5x minus 240 is minus 80. 5x is equal to minus 80 plus 240. 5x is equal to 160. x is equal to 32. So answer is D. Question 4. How much amount is given to each child by Seema? That is, we have to get the y. We have calculated it already. Y is 30. So option B. How much amount Seema spends in distributing the money to all the students of the orphanage? Total amount is given by xy, that is 32 times 30, which is 960. Answer is B. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.